Okay, hi, my name is Nick Gerthofer. I'm from Atlantic Physical Therapy. Today I want to talk about how to properly bend forward, making sure that we hinge from our hips and we keep our pelvis and our spine in a nice straight alignment. Now to use this, I use a broom handle, but right now I have a little padded rod with me. What you want to do is you want to align this broom handle or rod with your pelvis right above the butt crack, and then your middle back right around the shoulder blades. If your head can touch, that's great. If not, focus on those 2 points. Hold the rod. Your hand would be up here, but I'm going to keep my hand away so you can see. When I hinge my hips and bend forward, the contacts on my upper back and my pelvis should stay in alignment, and that hinging should come from my hips, keeping my pelvis and my spine in a good alignment. This is going to protect our lower back, this is going to allow our hamstrings to lengthen, and it's going to create better biomechanics, which is going to lead to less lower back problems.